Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like, share, make a comment, and also follow the Telegram to stay updated. I'll put a link in the comment section. So let's see what to be expecting for the week on our USD JPY. So let's start with our trend on USD JPY. You can see that our overall trend, the trend which is our overall trend on AUD USD is a downtrend move. You can see that the full picture on our AUD USD is literally on a downtrend move. Now, if you take a look at what our market is doing here, we have this drop, which is our low, and here comes the lower high. Here is the lower low. This gives us an equal lower high, and once it gives us the equal lower high, we had a new lower low. Market took this previous low, right? And here comes the lower high. You can see here, this is our lower high. So our next movement on AUD USD is another drop that should give us a new lower low. So basically, for swing traders, if you're a swing trader, would want to open for this sell. In this movement, you are likely to catch about 100 plus pip, between 100 to 150 pip. This should be your target on AUD USD. So AUD USD, our focus and our bias is to the downside. Looking for an opportunity to sell going for the swing traders. So if in case they push up one more time, it will most likely drop again.